Alright, after 5 hours trip, we arrived in Qingdao. Baby. Oldest strange city, I've never been here. Yo, yo, yo. After hectic crowd queue, finally made it. Whew. Can barely breathe. Look, big yellow floor Qingdao station. This city was occupied by German back in, I don't know. There's a lot of German style. Oh, I need a meal. I'm hungry as fuck. And look, you want this. Just translate this as a sea cucumber with fry, with the rice. Crunchy, man. A crunch and tender. I love it. So I just spent 48 Chinese yuan to eat a sea cucumber. That was crunchy and tender. But I call that as a snake. I'm gonna go to real food. Where do I go, bro? I'm middle of the crossroad. I think beyond that construction area, there's coast. Bro, I live in Shanghai, but I never see Shanghai's coast, beach. There's a bunch of the yellow mud. Shanghai not real has real coast, but this is Qingdao, bro. Bro, I should have beer, man. But I take medicine, but I can't take the beer. No more. So I skipped the beer part. But I have to see this coast. How? Okay. Can I cross this? Okay. I'm gonna cross this. Nobody follow the rule? Nobody follow the lights, bro. It's a red light, man. Nobody follow the rules, bro. Oh. Chill. Chill. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Chat. I low-key want to go down here. Here we go. Here we go. Let me leave my bag in here. Hopefully nobody steal my stuff. Hopefully, bro. And nobody steal my stuff, bro. put my socks on it. Leave there. Nobody's steal it. Make sure that. And I'm gonna wipe off. Oh, it's friction. It has strong friction. So, no slippery. I thought it's slippery, bro. First time touch. Oh, I touched it. Touch the sea water for the first time. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Woo! Woo! It feels great, bro. I can barely stand it, bro. I can barely stand it, bro. There's a lot of sand here, so it looks not clean. If you far away from that way, it's totally blue. And I believe that way, far away is North Korea, which is we probably gonna go there. Whew. Something trapped me, man. Wait, chat. I feel like there's gonna be a tsunami towards us, bro. Can I grab some sea cucumber? That's what I eat in I just eat a cucumber. Sea cucumber. And here I can feel much cleaner. Much cleaner. I think I'm gonna bounce, bro. Let's get out of here. I already see my backpack. It's still here. Of course, still here. Right here, bro. Right here. Alright, I'm gonna wear my socks. I'm gonna get out of here.
会议请。
能给我退款吗？2块啊。It says my cards belongs Shanghai. Cannot charge up in Qingdao. Cannot charge. You cannot top up your cards, your transportation cards. Just use QR code. Stupid water. No idea, bro. No idea. Why the fuck this difficult? Qingdao subway station. Final fucking hell, bro. In order to ride this fucking line 3, I have to download the whole app. Not gonna piss me off. What a lovely Qingdao city. It's weekday, barely got people. barely see hectic, crowded people. Kind of feel chill, man, here. Not gonna lie to you, I'm heading to the subway to another train station, heading to the Yantai. I'm on my way heading to another brand new city called Yantai. Let's say it. That's what I do. Okay. I thought he's not recognizing me, man. Security check. We'll have to go upstairs. Go upstairs, bro. Well, it looks like exactly what I expect. Big, massive, double area. The area B and this area A. As always, massive, big, gigantic, tremendous. But I like it, efficient, man. Well, let's find our train, man. 5AB. Ooh, that's it. We're gonna go B. Oops. We have to go 5A. 5A is for 1 to A coach. My coach is number 14 with no seats. I have to stand the whole time for an hour more. Okay. Free water. Let's fit in. Okay. Free water. Free water bottle. I literally thought it's KFC. Yo. It's Kentucky Bruce Lee, man. See that? Kentucky Bruce Lee.
现在前往的是由北京开往青岛方向的高71。
See how beautiful sunset is. Back behind me. Okay, easy. Easy and peasy, man. Let's check out. Close it.
那边也是，没事没事，你们两个坐这，我们坐那。张明，你过来跟妈妈坐吧。
Okay, we made it. We made it. Emergency stop. Emergency stop. I think. Finally, we made it. Heading to the KFC. Feel my stomach.
拿你的这个吃完吗？看。对呀。打勾，吃锅盆鸡，打勾。一个袋子够不够
？Bargain. 100 RMB with big queen size bed and a little bed, but there's only one guy inside tonight. Whew. Luckily we got a hot water shower, so see you tomorrow. Oops. Oh, luckily, it's apple mouth. Wait. $100. Nasty chair. Windows 7. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, bro. See this wallpaper. Sick, yo. See this wallpaper, bro. We got classical American movie. Radioactive. SO1 E01. Oh, Pocket! Prime! It says Prime! Bargain trip, bro. This is a browser. Let's say, bro, it looks so millennial. What are you interested in, man? What are you interested in, man? Oh? Oh! Is that what I think it is? Bro, the legendary wallpaper, bro. I like it. I genuinely like it, bro. Shut down the computer. Oh shit. So classic, bro. It's still Windows 7. It's like this in a hotel, like frozen in 2000. I still use a hardware, bro. Still use a hard driver. No SSD, obviously. What are you doing? Wake up, bro! Bro looks dead, man. Psychotic. Dead.